Hey guys, welcome back to the Goody Bros Show. It's me, Noah, and Nico, Nate, and yeah, we're going to be going on this, the train. We're going to be showing you some scenery of West Virginia, and well, yeah, see ya. And we're boarding. Huh. Welcome aboard. Okay. Nice. They give us water and we got a nice view, and they also have a gondola which we probably might be riding, but it's like 90 degrees here in West Virginia, so it's up to our mom. So if we're up there, we can show you some videos, but in the meantime, I don't know what we're going to be doing. But they do have food. This is a menu. So, yeah. Bye. Moving. Bye. Some food, and we ordered this. We got chips, trail mix, cookie, big cookie. We got the spoon. We got PB&J sandwich, and we also got these things. I forgot what they are, but I'm going to eat like all of this. So bye. We also got an apple. I forgot about that. Bye. Wow, looks like a monster ate everything except this, and some of my cookie. That's good. Now I can eat my cookie.
Oh baby, me trae loco tu cariño.
I started it.
No puedo estar así tan solo. Ya no soy.
Hey guys, it's Noah, and yeah, it's the day after. We just want to say we made it home, and we didn't have time to record like anything else. So here I am telling you about kind of what happened. We went on the gondola. But on the gondola, we didn't bring the phone, so we couldn't like record. Also, I forgot to record like this, so now the videos could look like a short. But I mean, it's fine. So yeah, and now we have reached 30 subscribers. So yay, that's good. So yeah, bye guys.